Hey, tonight we are going to do just a basic cleansing juice. So Bernadette and I have been eating the good rich food, so we're going to just take a couple days off and just have some juices.
We really need it.
Yeah. Yes. Bernadette says I'm getting fat. This is going to be a very delicious, cleansing, satisfying juice. It's going to consist of carrots, celery, apples, some ginger root, and some squeezed lime. The sugars in the apple and the sweetness will really satisfy the cravings because after about 18 hours you really start getting hungry.
No brown sugars?
No.
No agave syrup?
No. Well, we can put chocolate syrup in yours though.
Oh, wow. Wow, I could smell the fresh ginger from here. Yum, it's super delicious.
Yeah, I knew she was going to say that.
It's really super delicious, love.
Let me taste.
No.
Give me that, pig.
Okay, give me that, love.
That's good.
It's
It's
really good.
It's very satisfying, and a lot of people are scared to try a fast. Trust me, this is very satisfying. Even if you only do a fast for one day, just think of it as giving your whole digestive system a break, which is generally working 24 hours a day. Okay, cheers, enjoy.
How many days we're gonna fast, love?
We're gonna fast the rest of the year.
Oh my God.
So now with this, we're gonna have just a slight variation. We're just gonna add a squeeze of lime.
Wow.
And mix. Let me see your glass, Bernadette. And this is a little variation. I put a little bit more ginger and some lime in it.
Yum, it's super delicious. I like it also with lime.
The lime really is a nice balance with the sweetness of the apple and carrot. You can also just make any sort of variations in flavor that you want. You like it sweeter, just add more apples. You want it greener, you add more celery. Also, if you want a green drink, just get a little kale and parsley, both of which juice very nicely.
Good idea.
But for us, we're just going simple today. So for this variation will be for those of you who like your juice is slightly sweeter. So this
That's
is going
for
to
me.
be, this is specifically for Bernadette. So I added probably a ratio of 2.5 bits of apple to 1 carrot and a small amount of celery.
Thanks, sweetheart.
And I added a bit more ginger to make it sort of a ginger apple juice.
So there's no need for agave syrup.
Not with apple juice.
Okay. It's really sweet.
It's really sweet. It's all apple-y, isn't it?
It's awesome.
All right,
It's
so
super delicious.
the next one is going to be more to my taste. It's going to be even a little heavier on carrots and ginger, and I'm going to add lime to mine. And I'm going to squeeze good amount of lime into it. And mix it. Glass, please.
Okay.
I get to taste this first because it's more to my taste.
What me?
Oh, no. Yeah, super rich with the carrots. This will be pretty much specifically for Bernadette. We're going to use the rest of our apples. Probably have a 4-to-1 ratio of apples to carrots with 1 stalk of celery. All right, so this one we're going to we're not going to put lime juice in it. We're just going to keep it very sweet and apple-y. And so we will give a nice full glass for Bernadette here.
Thanks. Yummy. It's super delicious. And it's sweet.
The last one is going to be more to my taste. I'm going to take a extra big chunk of ginger. And
That's
it's
a
going to
very
be
big ginger.
carrots, celery, and a teeny bit of apple. This is my sort of special much more rich in carrot juice. That's good. Lots of ginger.
Wow.
Very piquant. As you can see, that's how much juice all those vegetables yielded. Just think of it as a concentrated source of minerals and vitamins. Bon appetit. This is what Bernadette and I will be having for the next day and a half. So enjoy and eat and drink cruelty-free.
Yay, it's super healthy and super delicious. Cheers! Cheers, everyone. Cheers,
Cheers.
love.